Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're about to access Google Drive. Start by signing in. Use your Google account email and password and complete any two-step verification prompt. Once signed in, make sure you're on the correct account. Tap the profile icon to switch accounts if needed. If you're on mobile, open the Google Drive app. On desktop, go to Drive. Google.com. Now that you're authenticated, locate the Shared with Me or My Drive section to begin finding files. Don't skip account checks. They prevent permission errors. Once done, search for what you need using the Drive search bar. Type file name, owner name, or use filters like Document, Spreadsheet, or PDF to narrow results. If a file appears in Shared with Me but is view-only, open it and select Request Access. Include a short reason so the owner approves quickly. Make sure to check the owner's account and folder structure if you can't find items. Also, organize important files into My Drive so future access is faster and more reliable. Final steps. If you need offline work, select the file and choose Download or make a copy to save it in your Drive. To collaborate, click Share, add email addresses, and set viewer or editor permissions. Send a message explaining the changes you'll make. If something goes wrong, check that you're signed into the correct Google account, confirm the owner sent the invite to the right email, and try clearing browser cache or using an incognito window. If errors persist, ask the owner to reshare with proper permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.